Hello everyone. This is our market aftermarket analysis of Axel for Friday, or no, oh, excuse me, for Monday the 13th, not Friday the 13th, but Monday the 13th, June 13th, 2011. This was the Friday's pivot point numbers based on the high, low, and close of the day on Friday. So we came up with these numbers here as pivot point numbers to look at for a possible trade today for ourselves. And as we can see, this was a bit of a fooler. The markets, the spider actually ended 10 cents up. Um, and our what we're looking at as a trade, our axle ended up 17 cents down. But looking at the pivot point numbers, you have the high of the day occurring at $10.15, and that would be right here, right at here, and of our pivot point. And if we happen to say catch this thing and say let's short it at that point, then of course we did very well because it came down to a low here of $9.66, which would have put us right in here, and that would have been an excellent profit, wouldn't it have been? Yes, more than 50 cents, about 60, 65 cents, something like that, or somewhere in the middle. Some of us got fooled and may have gone long. I mean, some signs were going up here, then sideways, and then chugging up a little bit. Did it decide to go up anymore? No, it did decide to come down. So if you did, if somewhere along the line you got in, somewhere along here, it happens. Hopefully you did not lose too much and you had a nice short stop loss of John Carter would say 20 cents is enough of a stop on a stock, even though you read some books and some people have stops of $3. That's usually on a much longer trade, and we don't get involved in stops of that nature since that would basically wipe out our accounts on a $3 stop. Our stops are no more than 20 cents. And actually, I like the Woolworth stops, the 5 and dimes, no more than 5 or 10 cents. If you're over that, you're out of line. So, just basic again, taking a look at this. This was looked like a short day on this, and quite honestly, we went long on it here, but then we got out right around here. We lost a nickel on this trade. We had, again, a Woolworth stop, a 5 and 10 cent stop. And after 5 cents, we decided to bail and watch it for the rest of the day. We learned something from that. The trend on this has been on the downside. So it might be a good idea to think of the market and our stock here as more of a going short than on a long play. So let's let not the market fool us. Thinking is great, but actually what is actually happening, the market is never wrong. It is always correct. It is always only us that make a decision that may be correct, or we make a decision that may be wrong. It doesn't make us bad people. It doesn't make us wrong. We just made a decision that that was wrong. The decision was wrong, not us. So again, out there, keep green on your screen. We'll be looking forward to a trade on Axel on Wednesday, and we'll either get a chance to come up with an idea of what's going on going into that play, or we'll give you a recap of what happened. And whether we got in or not. We don't always get in, even though we have a trade perhaps to get in. There are some days that we just had better not be in the market. Okay. All right. With all of that, I wish you the best of luck. And again, keep green on your screen. All right. Have a great day. Bye bye.